Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a Honda Amaze who has come to our department for the installation of the brand new Woodman Mark 1. Now this is the flagship variant of the Woodman stereo car system, and it also comes with two cameras, not one, two cameras. This Woodman Mark 1 comes with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity with your devices, and it also provides Woodman also provides OTA updates for your car system, in which they will provide the updates for the firmware to always stay updated. Now let's just move on to the aux here, and you can physically change you can change the way that sound provides using this Woodman. And let's just go to the themes here. So Woodman also provides you with all the themes customization and it's also fully customizable for your device. And if I just select any of the stem here and I press apply, the new theme will be applied here. And as you can see, the brand new theme has been applied. The interior of the car looks absolutely beautiful with this display. This settings is just awesome. You can see the Woodman Mark 1 also comes with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for your devices to seamlessly connect over and provide more connectivity. If you go to the video section here, you can also have gallery, file manager, radio settings, Bluetooth phone, music, aux, USB video, and so much more, guys. This Woodman Mark 1 is actually packed with features. Woodman Mark 1 comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which helps you in providing all the basic needs and basically provide the car functioning without any lag. Now, it also has steering heat mode. It has the AC here. You can see you can turn it off, you can turn the auto, you can also use the ventilation of the seats here. Now in this settings here, you can see all the information about your car here. The air conditioning system you can control from here or from the steering controls here. Now if I just go to the home, you can see how beautiful this display looks and how beautiful and smooth the lag-free interface that Woodman provides. Now this car also comes with two cameras. That is, first is the front camera and the second one is the back camera. Now you can control your phone, you can control music, you can watch the cameras here for parking assistance. This is the back camera, this is the front camera, and which comes at an absolutely free price along with the Woodman Mark 1. The Woodman Mark 1 also comes with a fully DSP chip, in where you can customize any sound quality that you want in the Woodman Mark 1. As you can see, we have the equalizer presets here with over 36 bands. You can have your own preset, you can have your own custom preset, or you can choose any of the presets from here. So let's just choose. You can also do crossover here. This is the normal mode, this is the three-way mode. This has all the settings that you can want, or even if you don't like anything, you can just press reset and it will always go to the default value that's been factored by Woodman itself. Now let's just play something and I will show you guys. Customize how much amount of sound you want from each corner of the car. So suppose you are sitting in the driver's seat, you can use the sound change. You can change the sound stage accordingly. If I go here, you can see if I press all, the sound will be coming from all the sides, which will give you a surround sound experience using the DSP chip, which is present in the Woodman Mark 1. You can change the volume directly from here, or if you want to change it from using the steering controls, you can also do that. This is really responsive, guys. I kid you not, the display is just amazing and present in the Woodman Mark 1. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I will catch you on the next one. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below and we will surely respond to them. Thank you so much and have a great day. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I will catch you guys on the next one. Thank you.